Have your legs felt weaker lately? Maybe it's getting harder to stand up from your favorite chair or walk without feeling wobbly. You're not alone. And the good news is, you're not stuck this way. Imagine this. You eat just one natural food today, and by tomorrow morning, you already feel more stable, stronger, and ready to move with confidence. Sounds too good to be true. It's not, because science is now showing that the right foods, when timed properly, can boost leg strength, circulation, and even balance, especially in seniors. Today, I'm going to share one of the most powerful foods you can try safely, easily, and without changing your whole routine. Welcome back to my Senior Health Tips. I'm David. This channel is all about giving you simple, science-backed advice to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent as you age. You don't need to be perfect or overhaul your life overnight. You just need the right tools, and I'm here to walk you through them, step by step, in a way that feels calm, encouraging, and doable. Today's tip might sound small, but it could truly change how your legs feel tomorrow morning. And everything I share here is reviewed by health professionals, so you know you can trust it. If this video helps you even just a little, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. It means a lot, and it helps this gentle health community grow. If you've noticed your legs getting weaker, or your balance isn't quite what it used to be, you're not alone. As we age, muscle loss is a natural process. It often starts in the legs, making it harder to stand, climb stairs, or feel stable when walking. But here's the encouraging news. Scientists have discovered a common natural food, one that's easy to find in stores, may help restore leg strength within just hours of eating it. How? It supports better blood flow to your leg muscles, delivers oxygen where your body needs it most, and gently stimulates muscle performance without pills, pain, or complex routines. And yes, this is backed by real clinical research, not hype. In this video, I'll share exactly what this food is, how to use it safely, and why it's especially powerful for seniors. You don't need expensive supplements or intense workouts, just one smart, delicious step. Eat this one food and regain leg strength in just 12 hours, backed by science. So, how can a single food really help you feel stronger legs in just a few hours? Let's talk about what science actually says. A recent study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition at how beetroot affects older adults, just like you and me. The researchers found something surprising. After consuming beetroot, the participants experienced a noticeable improvement in leg muscle performance, and not after weeks or months of change, but within just 8 to 12 hours of eating it. That's right, real measurable effects in a single day. So, what makes beetroot so powerful for seniors? The secret is a natural compound called nitrate, found in high amounts in beets. When we consume nitrate-rich foods, our bodies convert them into a gas called nitric oxide. Now, this isn't something you feel right away, but inside your body, nitric oxide causes your blood vessels to relax and widen. This leads to better blood flow throughout your body, and especially to your legs, where circulation tends to slow as we age. When more oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles, they can work more efficiently. You may notice that standing, walking, or climbing stairs feels easier, even just hours after eating a nitrate-rich meal. That's why researchers were so encouraged by the results. In their own words, beetroot helped increase something called muscle oxygenation, which simply means your muscles are getting the energy and support they need to stay strong. And unlike expensive pills or intense workout programs, this is a natural, food-based solution that works with your body, not against it. Beets are easy to prepare, easy to find, and often overlooked. But when used the right way, they can become a powerful ally in your journey to stronger, more stable legs. Coming up next, I'll show you exactly how to use beets safely, how much to start with, and how to get the best results, especially if you're over 60. So, if you're ready to give this a try, here's exactly how to do it safely, and in a way that fits your daily routine. Start with just a small cup of beetroot juice, about 4 to 6 ounces or half of one cooked beet. That's enough to activate the natural nitrates without overdoing it. The best time to take it? In the morning or early afternoon. That's when your circulation is naturally more active, and you'll get the biggest benefit throughout the day. Now, it's important not to go overboard. Beets are powerful, and while they're natural, they do affect blood pressure and kidney function in some people. If you're on blood pressure medication, or you've been told to watch your potassium levels, speak with your doctor first. A simple check-in can help you stay safe. To boost the effect, combine your beet intake with light movement. This could be a short walk around the house, gentle stretches, or even seated leg lifts. Movement encourages better blood flow, helping the nitrates reach your muscles more effectively. Let me give you a real example. My neighbor Ed is 74. He started drinking a small glass of beet juice about 30 minutes before his morning walks. After just a few days, he told me something surprising. He said, "I don't feel like I have to grip my walker so tightly anymore. My legs feel like they're helping me, not fighting me." Now, of course, everyone's body is different, but stories like Ed's are why I'm sharing this with you today. Here's a quick bonus tip to help you get even more from your beets. If you really want to support your leg strength, pair your beetroots with a light protein snack. Why? Because while beets help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery, protein helps your muscles repair and grow, especially after movement. This doesn't mean heavy meals or complicated recipes. Just something simple and senior-friendly, like a boiled egg, a small bowl of Greek yogurt, or a slice of whole grain toast with avocado. Even a little bit of cottage cheese or a few bites of salmon can do the trick. The goal is to give your muscles not just better circulation, but the building blocks they need to stay strong and functional. Strength isn't just about moving more. It's about eating smart, too. And when you combine the right foods with light daily activity, you create a natural, lasting way to protect your legs and your independence. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried beet juice? Or noticed that certain foods make your legs feel stronger or more energized? Go ahead and share your experience in the comments. I read every single one, and your story might help someone else feel inspired to take their first step. And if today's tip gave you something new to think about, maybe a small aha moment, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Each week, I share gentle, practical advice that could make a real difference in how you walk, sleep, or even think as you age. It's all about moving through life with more strength, more confidence, and more peace of mind, one small step at a time.